everyone, I am Bhanu Sharma. Today we will continue to solve exercise 7.1 integral chapter number 7 class 12. So till question number 15 we already have done. From today we will start from question number 16. So question number 16 is integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x dx. This is question number 16. So integrate. First we have to separate. So here the coefficient of x is 2. So we will take outside 2. So it is x dx minus here is 3 is the coefficient of cos x. So we will take outside 3 dx plus integration of e to the power x dx. So this equals to 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 because the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Here in denominator there is 2. So 3 integration of cos x is sin x plus integration of e to the power x is same e to the power x plus c. So this equals to, we can cut 2 2. So it is x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus c. This is the answer. Now move to question number 17. Question number 17 question is 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root under x dx. Now first separate this. We will take 2 outside. So x square dx minus 3 take outside sin x dx plus 5 take outside. So root x can be written as x to the power half dx. So this will be 2 integration of x square is x cube by 3 because the power is 2, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 3 integration of sin x is minus cos x plus 5 integration of x to the power half is x to the power 3 by 2 after adding 1 by 3 by 2 plus c. So this equals to 2 by 3 x to the power 3 minus into minus is plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 2 by 3 will reciprocate 2 by 3 by putting the multiplication sign. So x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 2 is 10 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is for question number 17. Now question number 18. Question number 18. Now question number 18 is integration of sec x plus tan x dx. Now first we have to multiply. Sec x, multiply this quantity by sec x. So integration of sec x into sec x is sec square x plus integration of sec x into tan x is sec x tan x dx. So this will be, now separate this sec square x dx plus now integration sec x into tan x dx. So this equals to, now what is the integration of sec square x? Integration of sec square x is tan x. integration of sec square x is 10x. So this is 10x. 10x plus integration of sec x 10x is, it is sec x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 18. Now question number 19. Question number 19 is integration of sec square x divided by cosec square x dx. Okay. We know that the sec is the reciprocal. We know that the sec is the reciprocal of cos. So instead of sec x, we can write 1 by cos x. And reciprocal of sine is cosec. So 1 by cosec can be written as sin x. So sin x is 1 by cosec x. Sec x is 1 by cos x. So we will write sec square x is 1 by cos square x into 1 by cosec is sin square x. Integration sin by cos is tan square x. Okay, we can integrate the function if they are in integrated form. Otherwise, we cannot do the integration. So these are not in integrated form. So first we will convert the given function into integrated form. After that we will integrate. Okay, so this is not an integrated form. This is also not an integrated form. This is also not an integrated form. Now we have to make it into integrated form first. So integrated form, what is the identities, trigonometric identities of sec tan square x is sec square x minus 1. So dx. So sec is in integrated form because the integration of sec square is here. Sec square x is tan x, but integration of tan square is not possible. Tan square x is, it is not in integrated form. So now integrate, separate first sec square x dx minus integration of dx. So this equals to integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of x and dx is minus x plus c. Now this is the answer. This is for question number 19. If the given functions are in integrated form, then we will simply integrate the function. If the given functions are not in integrated form, first we have to make it into integrated form. After that we will integrate. So question number 20 is, question number 20, the question is 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. So it is, look here, it is not in integrated form. So first we have to make it into integrated form. Okay, so this equals to integration of, now we can separate by using denominator 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. If you take LCM cos square x, you will get this. So this equals to integration of 2, this equals to 1 by cos sec square x minus 3 1 by cos sec x and sin by cos, 1 cos is left, 1 by cos is sec, means 1 cos is left. So again sin by cos is 10x dx. Look here. So in 3 sin x by cos square x means cos x into cos x. So 1 by cos x is sec x, and again sin by cos is 10x. This equals to integration of, now we can take 2 outside, sec square x dx minus 3 integration of sec x 10x dx. So this will be 2 integration. Now it is in integrated form. So 2 sec square x is 10x minus 3 sec x 10x is sec x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.